Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Annie Satowski.
And I'm Derek Francis. First tonight at 10, Michigan, along with much of the country, now continuing to see an uptick in COVID-19 cases. Over the past 24 hours, our state's reporting 32 new deaths and 373 new cases, bringing the total to more than 64,000. Nationally, more than 2.6 million cases have been confirmed. 126,000 people have died, and about 700,000 people have recovered.
All right, Julian McCall joins us live with the warning from state health officials if cases continue to trend upwards. Angeline?
Yeah, Derek, Annie, the top doctor in the state health department here in Michigan, called the numbers we're seeing concerning. In West Michigan, we are still in phase 4, allowing for restaurants, bars, and retail to continue with restrictions. But officials warn that if cases continue to rise, we may be bumped back down to phase 3.
Our numbers are not as strong today as they were a couple of weeks ago. So we must keep up our guard.
Governor Whitmer is urging Michiganders to continue taking COVID seriously, especially with the nearly week-long uptick we're seeing statewide.
So we've got to be smart. We've got to keep our wits about us, and we've got to continue to do what we know prevents the spread of COVID-19. Because just one person who lets their guard down can infect countless others.
20 to 29-year-olds make up the highest rate of new infection, resulting in 23% of overall total cases.
Everyone, including young people, need to understand that they are not immune to this disease.
Already, we have seen young people partying at bars and restaurants, with more than 100 new cases now linked to this bar in East Lansing, where crowds were seen lined up close together outside of the door and down the street. And in Kent County, the health department has announced it's closing Social House Bar, where this video was taken in downtown Grand Rapids.
It makes me very angry. It makes me very angry because they jeopardize not only their own business, they jeopardize other businesses, and most importantly, they jeopardize the health and safety of this community.
Officials remain concerned over the loss of progress we've made, with the governor calling it, quote, preventable.
And real sacrifice to bend the curve and to protect families from this virus. We have seen preventable spread in areas across our state. We can't let our guard down. We can and we must get this under control now.
The Grand Rapids area is currently considered medium-high risk for the spread of COVID-19. The Kent County Health Department says they believe that risk level has to do with the lack of mask use and people dropping their guard down with social distancing. Live in the newsroom, Angeline McCall, Fox 17 News.